Now, that's not what I've always done. I love this piece of furniture here because when it's dusty and dirty, you can't tell. I need to order some more trash bags. All right, y'all, let's clean out this refrigerator. I'm gonna just dump all the food in the trash and put the containers in the sink so they can go in the dishwasher. Now, that's not what I've always done. Now, in the past, I'm a fan of using my garbage disposal. You know, the refrigerator look a hot mess. So what I used to do is take the stuff out, empty the food in the garbage disposal because I didn't like for it to go in the trash can because then the food's in the trash and it smells. But my husband swears that that messes up the garbage disposal. So now I've just been putting them in the trash bag. So let's get to it. And some of this stuff I just put in there so it won't go anywhere.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you left me. I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
All right, good morning, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get into cleaning this living room today. I want to start by, and I need to start early. That's why I'm starting now. Washing this, the sofa cushions. These are not detachable. They come off. Okay, they can come off and be washed, and I want to do that because you can see. Let me see if I can show you. You can see how it gathers, like it's all loose right there and stuff. I think that washing it. Yeah, I think that washing it and it'll tighten the fabric back up and make it look more put together. And then of course I need to dust all the shelves and stuff that are in here and wash these throws. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. And then I want to not vacuum. I want to shampoo the carpet, but I need to do that. I probably have to do that tomorrow morning. I have to do it early enough, like as soon as everybody leave out the house, so that it'll be dry by the time everybody comes back in. So that's the plan with that.
Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. I remember when we woke up, how your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, you're laying so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep, I don't wanna argue 'cause it's never worth a fight. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 the lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. Whoa, the lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. When we began here, we were simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain. And I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 the lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay.
Alright, y'all, so the covers are complete. And I'm gonna try. It smells so nice. Okay, and I'm gonna try and put them on one by one. Hurry this process up. It's almost 1 o'clock. I got a appointment with the barber at 1:15, so I need to be leaving at least by 1:05. Let's see if we can do that.
I saw you don't know that I know what's going on, but I saw the mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me say the mess you made. Are you happier now, love? Still wander the city streets. It's getting easier with love. It's getting easier with love. As dawn breaks the darkness, a new day begins. I feel cold and heartless. I've run myself thin. Like the distant star, have you traveled far? I miss you in my arms. You're like my lucky charm. Are you happier now, love? Still wander the city streets. It's getting easier with love. Though you're the beat of my aching heart. Happier, are you happier? Are you happier? I see you in my dreams. I'm about to ask how you've been. My bed's huge, my roof's low. The walls are caving in. Like the distant star, have you traveled far? I miss you in my arms. You're like my lucky charm. Are you happier now, love? Still wander the city streets. It's getting easier with love. Though you're the beat of my aching heart. Happier, are you happier? I'll be rooting for you. Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. streets and the city's on fire.
Oh, hello again. Just took this stuff off of here. Yes, it is a new day. All I got to do yesterday was wash the sofa cushions. And so today we're gonna dust and see what else we can get done. I had to go help my husband cut grass, so I didn't get to do all I needed to do. But here we are today. And let me just tell y'all, I don't know if you saw it before, but I love this piece of furniture here because when it's dusty and dirty, you can't tell unless I guess you gotta wipe your finger across it because all that just came off of here. So, yeah, love it. So that's what we're getting into today. It's continuing in our cleaning journey. So let's go. Father's Day gift idea, make your husband a book. We did this one through Shutterfly, and it just has different pictures of like him and the kids. This one he let Mackenzie paint his toenails before, so we put a picture of that in there, just saying thank you for letting me do that. And then just pictures of him with the kids. Girl, different things that we did together, saying it was cool when we did this. I like when we did that. So I thought this was a really good idea. This is a good idea for Father's Day. And we wrote, just little things in there. To him, thank you for everything you do for the family. And I think I asked the kids what would their note be to him. And that was Isaiah's. This was so old. Mackenzie, when she was younger, thank you for coming to my field trip with me. Just showing all the different things that he's done with the kids. Yeah, I thought this was a good idea. This book probably wasn't even $10, $20, I don't think. But it's memories. And if you like to showcase pictures around the house, and you don't really have the space to do that, they have the book up there. People come over, and going through pictures and stuff, they'll read through the book, so that's always good also.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep the floors now to get it ready to shampoo the carpets. It's like almost 11 o'clock now. I should have done it this morning. And now, I don't know, 12, they start rolling in about 3 o'clock. I might still do it, but you know, as long as I can get it done before 12 today. I know the steps, that'll have to be done at night. I don't think those are gonna dry as quickly. In here, I got the fan I can have going too, so that'll help. I need to clean this ceiling fan off, but I don't have the ladder, and I ain't got time to do all that. But I think I got the little stick, the Swiffer stick, so I'm gonna look for that and do that real quick, and then I'll vacuum in here, and we'll see if we're gonna shampoo the carpet. All right, good morning, y'all. Yeah, a whole nother day. I'm finally getting to do what I need to do. And I'm gonna just go ahead and get started, because if I start talking, child, time gonna be wasted. It's 8:20 right now. Is it 8:20 or 29? Oh no, it's 8:30. It's 8:30. If I do what I need to do and get done in the living room, it definitely should be dry by at least noon. And then I'll turn the ceiling fan on too to help dry out the process. So let's get to it. Okay, this is how the carpet looks now, and I'm really focused on this spot right here. Hopefully we can get that up. Of course, the middle ain't gonna look like nothing because the ottoman sits there and covers that up, but it's still dark.
Hello, you don't even know my
All right, y'all. So it is 12:28. So basically 12:30. So it's been 4 hours since I shampooed, and it is fairly dry. No, it's dry. And I had the ceiling fan going the whole time, so I'm about to put everything back so it can look like something when the people come in the house. So give me a second here.